everyone, welcome back to Let's Unbound Math Kangaroo class. And today it's part 4 of our previous year discussion. And today we are going to reveal one more question that came in Math Kangaroo examination. And this question is of 5 marks and it's very simple. Let's see what is the question. When the letters of the word MAMA are written vertically above one another, the word has a vertical line of symmetry. You can see the figure here. It is having one line of symmetry and it is dividing MAMA, the word, into two equal halves. Which of these words also has vertical line of symmetry when written in the same way? Okay, so one short trick that you can use to solve this question, as you can see in the figure, there are two M and there are two A. And M and A, they both have one vertical line of symmetry that we have learned, right? Let's see which of the following can have one line of symmetry like this. In the very first option, if we are going to write R, it does not have any line of symmetry. That means it is not our answer. If we are going to write B here and if we try to divide using vertical line of symmetry, it's not possible. Though it has horizontal line, but not vertical. So this is also wrong. Again, option number C has B, so this cannot be our answer. Option number D has L. It does not have any symmetry. We cannot divide using horizontal or vertical lines, so this is also wrong. Option number E, T has vertical line of symmetry. So if we try to write TOOT, we can easily divide this using our vertical line of symmetry like this. And it's the same way like we have written MAMA, right? So our correct answer is option number E. And both the alphabets here are T, T and OO. That is one more reason why option number E is correct. Pretty easy, right? And you can avail 5 marks out of this question. So if you like this video and if the explanation was good, do let us know, do like the video and tell us your suggestions in the comment below. We will be happy to help you out with any other question. And I will meet you soon in the upcoming video. Till then, bye-bye. Take care.